The reason why our hair goes gray is because we're basically start lacking the pigment. Melanin is a pigment that we all have in our hair and our skin, and this determines the color of our hair. Melanin is being secreted by melanocytes. Melanocytes, they usually stop being repleted after a certain age. In order to produce more melanocytes, we need more melanocyte stem cells. Now, we know that one of the hallmarks of aging is that we actually get stem cell depletion. What we're also seeing with aging is mitochondrial production, and then we basically get NAD depletions. Now, this is the biology behind why we stop producing the melanocytes that produce the color of our hair. Unfortunately, this is inevitable with age, but this is actually something that we can influence, because with molecules like NAD boosters, like NMN, we can actually replete our NAD levels, and this would result in actually more mitochondrial production, including the production of stem cells and telomere lengthening as well.